In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Pinterest pin in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and type Pinterest pin into the search bar. I'll select the first option from the results and then click on Create Blank to open up a fresh workspace. Once the editor loads, I'll click on the empty canvas and open the color palette. I'm going to experiment with a few different solid colors and gradients to find the right base for my design. After testing a few options, I'll settle on a light purple. Now I'll go to the Elements tab and search for Women's Month background. I'll find a graphic I like, this one featuring a diverse group of women, and click to add it to my page. I'll position it at the very bottom and drive the corners to resize it until it fits the width perfectly. I've decided to change the background again, so I'll go back to the color menu and select a vibrant yellow to pink gradient. Next, I'll add a text box and type in the quote, "We rise by lifting others." To give it more character, I'll browse the font library and select a style that feels bold and modern. I'll center the text on the page, increase the size, and then adjust the line spacing to make it more compact. I'll also change the text color to a dark purple so it complements the illustration below. To add a bit more detail, I'll look back through the elements and select a floral element. I'll resize it and place it over one of the figures in the graphic. Using the position menu, I'll move the floral element layers until it sits exactly where I want it behind the front illustration. I begin resizing it and flipping it to fit in the composition. Now my design is complete and looks great. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.